just let me know. But they show no fish. They say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. They say you found it, but she doesn't want.
Hey guys, good morning. It is Sunday morning. I don't wash my bed. No work on this morning. But it's Sunday morning and yeah, Sunday reset. Spend the Sunday with me. I just wake up. No, I'm just wake up. Make up after 5, but I'm after 7. Um, come on guys. I plan for do. I'm telling me I plan for do today. I plan for make turmeric shots. I plan for wash my ear. I might wash it and comb it. I'm just comb it. I might just comb it. Cause I might just comb it. What else? Make turmeric shots, comb my ear. And yeah, probably make a product for me to start sell. I'm not sure as yet, but I'll give if I don't make the product, I'm gonna give y'all a rundown and y'all tell me what y'all think about it. Okay? So before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe to my channel and comment under this video. Tell me what you think about this video and the better what you want to see from me. And yeah, let's go. So guys, I done brush my teeth and wash my face. So right now I go get sink bag for put on my face because some big bump the right so and bump there so. Then I go down. So I don't know what I'm gonna for the cheese I eat, but like I need to stop eat the cheese thing them because this not gonna work. And I want to try the turmeric shots as well as me make that today. So yeah. Let's go. Here is it. Then I grab it all over your face, especially where the bumps are. But to get it in. So guys, my mom is going to the spring. We are going full water and that plug I probably before. Yeah. The country life, you know. Yeah. I should I wash me here though?
Where no?
Run there.
What water there?
Alright.
What I do, huh?
So say hi to my vlog. Say hi guys.
Hi to my flags. We're on our way to the pipe.
Yeah guys, so this is my dog.
Girl.
Come. This is my dog.
Real.
Say hi to the vlog. You're getting too excited, you know. Alright. Yes.
Yeah. You got a fire drum there. Can you call him now?
Going to the spring and look over there guys. Look at the beautiful view. Yeah. Guys, I spot a ladybug. And you see it? See it there? So cute. Like literally. Yeah. So guys, when I can see what that's the school down there. We used to go until lockdown in 2013 and then have to move. We'd have to ride palm bike, go to the next location, and I tell you, say guys, it was rough. A couple times when we drop off a bike, like we don't understand the country life, guys. Anyways, that's Blue Mountain Peak over there where I'm living. I can see Blue Mountain Peak and yeah. And as I show you, down there so. And the sky is looking so beautiful today, like so fabulous. guys, you know, in a Christmas time, the farmers them have gungo peas. See, the gungo peas lovers. And even in a them time as well. Them a blossom right now.
And bean out, see the bean out and dry one out so.
Eh?
The
See?
bean out and the dry one out so.
Up the road now. And now get some close something from him. As we did say earlier. And see? Yeah. Going right over there to give him an interview. And I'm going to tell him to private for subscribe to me. Follow him TikTok. You know? They try. Morning. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi to the vlog. You up enough? Yeah, there's some cleanup work, isn't it?
Yeah, chat.
Yeah, don't beg the sure.
Well, yeah, guys.
Vloggers.
If you don't want a bed, you can buy this for. How much is that sell for?
Which one?
That way there.
Yard sale price.
Yard sale price, guys.
Yard sale price. Let's go with a yard sale price.
Yeah. So, guys, he never have no clothes. So, I gloves him think mark. So, I'm still gonna need the gloves then. For me, two more shots, and my cousin have none. Something there. Clothes. Maybe just forget the aisle. Alright. Whatever, you know, guys. So, yeah. Party. And Claudette. Hello. So, guys, see the tomato.
Oh, God. This is the real first time country tomato.
Yes, guys. Got to see. This is the tree. And there's a pangana tree as well.
Pangana tree as well.
Yeah.
Orange tree as well.
An orange tree.
Tobacco.
Where's tobacco there?
What is it?
Tobacco.
Tobacco?
Yeah, tobacco. Back in the days when the olden people usually smoke.
Yeah, this time used to make tobacco, guys. The dry one.
Olive here.
Guys, I see some chicken here. See one cat here. I don't know if I'm hungry or what. But yeah. And my cousin said she don't have so much clothes, so I don't know what am I going to do.
Come look at the wood fire.
What I'm going to do.
Wood fire.
So guys, you know wood fire. But them cook pan, crack the tea. And best believe the best food come from wood fire. Yes, try. Yeah, my auntie has set it up.
This is the lady who wore the castor.
Oh, and guys, if you want on a castor oil, can come get on a castor oil for the ear, good ear. And remember, for support. Just link me for the details, okay? Yes, guys. Castor oil in the bag. That castor oil beans that is going to be boiled to get castor oil. Yes, guys. Oh, guys, I should sell egg too. If you don't want an egg, get your eggs. $4,000. And when I say it's thick and nice, no salt is added and no water is added, just straight oil. So come and get it. And you see my ear nice and afro. If you don't want any ear, get to the afro stage there. When you come make an orders, text me on Instagram, TikTok, anywhere, or you can email me for it and I'll set you all up. And we do nuts for it as well. Yeah. Oh, guys, and if you want rosemary in it also, we can add it and boil it for your preference, and that will be $5,000. So guys, I'm up on Lady Yard, and this is the view from our house. Like, hello, imagine live right at the end. Yeah, look out on the view, like.
You go to eat the bush. You go to eat the bush. You go to eat.
This is our farm.
Yeah.
Yes, so. And our goat. Hey guys.
I know. That's too late.
So guys, I don't know if you know them flowers, but these are so pretty. I'm this smaller. Guys, I'm so obsessed. And first me I see them, I don't know them. But from them I have a little shade of purplish, but it's kind of pretty pink, I guess. I don't know, I think. But yes, the cane, the guys, mark grass, And a little tree, jelly tree, I guess, or some tree, and some can. It's very fabulous. Yeah. Yes, guys. So, guys, me pull up my ear, come wash my ear and sing. And yada. But when I wash it now, I'm gonna drink some oats porridge. Forget thick, you know. Anyways, guys, you see me talk about the length of my hair. When I say to get your castor oil, is not a joke thing. I'm gonna make an oil right now with the castor oil too. When you can buy from me originally, I put this one on castor oil. When you can buy it from my auntie, you understand? Yeah. So. See that? So. Okay, I need a new tripod. And I need a cable. Then, throw a little bit of kerosene oil. Right here. Oh, I think it never like that. It's weird thinking never gonna light. We need to put up. Come spread and go over this one.
Salma? Salma? Yeah. Yeah, I know it. Yeah.
That's it, good, guys.
No, we don't want that. She have a camp at school.
Alright, guys. I'm clocking my tea. Hello. So, next. While that one do, may I go just. So, guys, this is it. It's doing. Well, I'm gonna forget the pot level so everything can boil one time. So yes, guys, y'all can come get your oils from me. It's boiling. Clocking the tea. So guys, it's coming to a boil. Love the look. Really love the look. Slow simmering. Nice. So stir it. This is it so far. So far, so good. Ow! Shit, guys, the thing. So So guys, as I can see, my head kind of madish right now. What I go fix up my room because it's a mess. I just wash my ear as you see. I'm plait it up. And me also went the aisle. I do one magazines one time, but yeah, I go tidy up my room, pack my bag for camp, and yeah, get back soon. When time I'm gonna make the turmeric something. So guys, I just transferred to that little something here. And trust me guys, if I was selling this at what it's supposed to, it would be $6,000 because this is quality guys. That something is well oiled. When I put this in your ear, look at my ear. Look how my ear are glisten like hello. Guys, I'm not sure the aisle when really don't need olive. Like don't need olive at aisle because this is shit. It drip on my guys, it's dripping. Suppose it did drip on the bed. You know this would work for me. Anyway, so guys, and I said Ali, like when I tell you I said Ali, it's well Ali, bro. So guys, this is the turmeric and the ginger. I'm gonna cut it up and get right back to y'all.
Forget about the time and wasting the life in the club. My mind was a massive, nothing to talk about. And this night, just finish the ride and drink after drink. I think I'll be fine. One more round, and night after night, I'm find another play. Just pair our mask and be ourselves. Let the phone call rain, don't care about what they think. It's a long night, we got time to make some magic. Let the bloopers sing, we are missing in the crowd. Around the music and different faces. Oh, hold up, can you stop texting to your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your ex-friend? The saver is the role that I play. The monster in my deep side can't wait. Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait, wait. I can't wait, can't wait, can't wait, wait. Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. I can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. 天上上班，因为我喝了酒，像淀粉蛋酱。
So guys, this is how I'm gonna get. This is how I'm gonna get out everything. Out everything. I'm gonna say this is too much, but this is just like one shot cup. But anyways, yeah. So this is how I'm gonna get a little bit, cause I strain it 2 times, cause I wanna fun glands in it, yeah. So I'm gonna try it out now, guys. This sticky na?
Too much.
Is not too much. Alright, guys. Mercy Jesus Christ.
Wouldn't drink that so much. Yeah, half me I take. You're supposed to have a little something like a cloud then take the communion now.
So guys, I think you know the straw. Guys, I did take a shot already. 1 2 more shot. When my music teacher they give me. And guys, you never did that bad. So I hope this not that bad as well, cause do you want to see the girls them act?
Yeah.
Yeah, I provide. Just kind of, just say. Not know if you know this. When if you go in this, just rebuke it. Take it out right now. Anyway, pray amen. Go man.
1, 2, 1.
Mom, stop now. 1 2 3 go. It's not that bad. I probably chew my stomach and take certain things. You know, taste carrot. It tastes like carrot juice without sugar. Anyways, guys, I mean make this and it tastes good, so I'm gonna see if it's gonna make the changes in my face. My face already feel like a tinkling vest. Anyways, guys, so I'm now close up the vlog right this second. I make an ultra separate if I mess about right now. I got beard, yeah, and do my ear and pop my bag. At the end of the video, y'all know it's that girl me again. And yes, I'm finish my ear, guys. Is it given? 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 Hold on. Alright, guys, so I'm finish the video. I just done the podcast as well, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is just a freestyle video of my choice, and I love you all. Oh, thank you. Oh my God. I want to say a big thank you for my Gems family. We hit 700 subscribers. Clock that tea. We're clocking the tea so hard. Guys, I want to say I really, really appreciate y'all. I love you. Bad. 700 people. 700 people are holy people. Big up on every time, all the time. Big up you guys and stay watching, stay tuned because more videos are coming. And I'm still waiting on more families to join the channel. So what you must do is share up this video, share, tell a friend, but tell a friend, because Nia going with things over here. So hello, and my podcast is coming soon for the male and for the girlies. So stay tuned. Hello, and also guys, I don't have any comment shout out for y'all today. I don't have any comment shout out because the people that I'm question in the comments. So what you can do if you really want to see comment shout out, y'all can comment under this video. Yeah. Anyways, quote of the day. Be confident. That's the quote of the day. I love y'all. And Bible verse of the day. Which Bible verse? For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, for whosoever believeth in him will not perish, but have everlasting life. Have a wonderful week, y'all. I love y'all so much.